Do you want to change your battle tag on Battle.net? If so, I'm going to show you how easy it is to change it. So all you have to do is hover over your profile on the upper right hand side. Here in the list, you will see it says change battle tag. So if you click on that, it's going to take you right over to a page where it tells you, okay, to change your battle tag, you'll need to pay. Just simply click on buy now, right? Once you do that, guys, it's going to take you right over to this page where it's going to say you need to make a purchase. Once you go ahead and choose the method of payment or you want to pay it, then you just need to go ahead and proceed. So if you want to use your pay card, your paysafe card, your battle balance, or your credit card or PayPal, you can choose whichever option you want. And then you want to go ahead and proceed with the payment. Now, another way how to actually find this is to actually go into your account settings. Now, under your account settings, you will be able to see your details here. So all you have to do is just simply go to the section where it says account details. You want to go over to account details on the left hand side, scroll all the way down to where it says battle tag, and here you will see that it says that you can make a purchase. Now keep in mind, if you are doing this for the first time, you might get the option to make one changes free, so you'll be able to do it for the first time. So when you create your account, you have a generic one, but then for the first time, if you want to change it, you will have the option to change it for free. But while additional changes, if you want to make further changes in the future, you will have to pay, and that's how you'll be able to do it. So here you can just simply choose the option to purchase a battle tag change, and once you go ahead and do that, you see the process how it works. You have to go ahead and make the purchase of just about 11-12 US dollars, and once you proceed and make that purchase, then you will be able to change your battle tag. And that's it, guys.